drastically different in each photo the photographer takes. The photographer will take 4 pictures, each 30 seconds apart.
You may not interact or interfere with the photographer in any way. The most drastically different set of 4 photos wins.
The photographer will take 15 minutes. We'll take the first photo in 15 minutes. Your time starts now.
Time starts.
So we've got 15 minutes.
Now!
Drastically different.
All my brain can think of is ducks.
Animal ones.
Poking up these colours.
I was thinking maybe like astronaut eyes. Maybe these
Adam.
You need a cloak though. Have you got the duck?
I've got that.
Right, got 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and photo. 1, 2, 3. "27, 28, 29, 30. Photo. 1, 2, 3. "27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3. "27, 28, 29, 30.
Not like the close.
1. Or is that it?
Stop counting!
Hey.
Done.
Perfect timing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.